everybody and welcome to my channel. We are having coupon inserts coming out August 26, 2018. It looks like we'll be getting 3 inserts. I am pretty excited for this day because it is my birthday on the 26th, so I'm going couponing and then spending time with my family. So I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I will be getting at I'm sorry, I'm not even thinking straight. I'm excited to share with you guys what coupons we'll be getting coming out this Sunday. Now please keep in mind everybody gets different coupons. Your areas don't always get the same coupons. So if you guys know you're getting these coupons, go for it. But if you guys aren't sure if you're getting them, always pay attention because then you can always order individual coupons ahead of time. That's what I usually do. I know what I'm usually going to get or what I'm going to order. So giving you guys a heads up with that. But here we are with the Smart Source. So there's going to be 1 Smart Source, 1 Retail Me Not, and 1 P&G. So definitely, get ahead of this. So here we got an Act. We get $1 off 1 coupons. Allegra, Aspercream, Bic Stationery. Now those are 1 off of 1 and 1 off of 1. Now those are pretty good coupons because you guys can pretty much get some freebies with that. So I would definitely go ahead and get those. Now they do expire 9/9, so they're not much of a long time, but usually that's when school starts. So you guys might be able to find some stuff on clearance. Blue Diamond, those are crackers. Caspazan, never heard of that. Cheerios. Claro, now we're getting a 3 off of 1. And then we're also getting, sorry, I can't even read. We're also going to be getting a, I thought I had this zoomed out. We're also going to be getting a buy one, get one free hair color. So those are pretty good coupons. Colgate, $1 off of 1, 2 off of 1, twin pack or multi-pack toothbrushes, and then we're getting Colgate 2 off of 1 of the Optic White Enamel Health and Sensitive Toothpaste. So that is an awesome, awesome coupon. Cortisone, CoverGirl, $2 off of 1, CoverGirl 3 off of 1, Depends 3 off of 1, Ensure, Florida Crystals, General Mills 75 cents off of 2. Not the good coupon. Here we got Gold Bond, $1 off of 1. Now I'm not sure if that includes the freebie that I got at Target. So you guys will definitely want to check out that deal. Icy Hot, Jack's Links, Ken's, Kikkoman, Lime Away. Now those Lime Away, they're 75 cent off coupons. You might be able to use those at the Dollar Tree. I'm not 100% sure. Here we got Mott's, 50 cents off of 1. Nasocort, Nectar, whatever. OxyClean, 50 cents. And then we got 1 off of 1. And then there is a 2 off of 1. I love that coupon. Palmolive, 50 cents off of 1. Pediasure, 7 off of 2. Poise, 3 off of 1. Ragu, $1 off of 2 or 75 cents off of 1. Riddex, Treetop Applesauce, White Castle, Zizal. So that is going to be in the Smart Source. Here we got the red plums. We got all $1 off of 1. Degree. Emergency, Garnier Fructis, a 4 off of 2 coupon. That is an awesome coupon. L'Oreal, 3 off of 1. Libby's, we're getting Mars Chocolate. It looks like it's going to be the Halloween candy coming up soon. So we got Mars, $1 off of 1. Nexium, Profoot, Shea Moisture, 2 off of 1. Quaker, 1 off of 1. Suave Kids, $1 off of 1. Right now we have those same coupons, pretty much 2 off of 2. And then the Procter Gamble. So here we got that. Now I always find my coupons. I just do inserts for the date and it pops up. But usually Sunday papercoupons.com is what I usually find. So here we got some Always, Bounty, Cascade, Febreze. Now there's buy one get one free plug things. So you're gonna buy 1 Febreze and then you'll get a oil warmer. So that's kind of cool. Charmin, 25 cents off of 1. Crest, 50 cents, $1 off, $1 off. Here you got a 5 off of 1. Downy, Bounce. Now here's a Febreze, buy one, get one free, excluding the plug, so that's a great coupon. Gain, 3 off of 3. Gillette, 1 off of 1, 2 off of 1, and 3 off of 1 disposables. Head and Shoulders, 3 off of 2. Herbal Bio Renew, 3 off of 2. Loves, 2 off of 2. Metamucil, Mr. Clean, Ole. Old Spice, Oral B, Pampers, Pantene, Prilosec, Puffs, 25 cents off of Puffs, Secret, 50 cents off of 1, or there's $1 off of 1 Clinical. Tampax is 1 off of 1. Now we're getting Tide coupons, but it looks like it's just $2 off coupons, so not the greatest coupons, but hey, still can't complain. Venus, 3 off of 1. and then 5 off of 1, 3 off of 1, and then Vicks and ZzzQuil. So those are what's going out in the inserts. So definitely check that out if you guys want to get inserts. I think it's a great week, especially with some of those coupons. Now please keep in mind of what coupons you do or do not get. If you guys don't get some of those coupons and you know you don't get some of those coupons, definitely check out like Clip to Save or We Coupon Clips for certain coupons. But yes, I just want to say thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.